Hello mga ka-Marksman, it's me, Teacher Marks, and in this video, you will learn how to do mental math in subtraction, or you will learn how to solve subtraction using your mind or without using pen and paper. So, without further ado, let's begin. First example, what is 56 minus 32? So, you need to break these numbers into each digit value. In number 56, the value of 5 is 50 and the value of 6 is 6. In number 32, the value of 3 is 30 and the value of 2 is 2. By the way, if you don't have any idea about a value of a digit, I created a video about that. You can click the video link on the description below. So 56 minus 32 is the same as 50 plus 6 minus 30 plus 2. Then, you need to subtract the numbers with the same number of digits. 50 minus 30, that is 20, and 6 minus 2, that is 4. So, we have 20 plus 4, and 20 plus 4, that is 24. So, that means 56 minus 32 is equal to 24. I hope that's clear. Next example, what is the difference of 97 and 45? So, let's separate each numbers to each digit value. In number 97, the value of 9 is 90. The value of 7 is 7. Minus, in number 45, the value of 4 is 40. And the value of 5 is 5. Next, you need to subtract the numbers with the same number of digits. So, 90 minus 40, that is 50. And 7 minus 5, that is positive 2. So, 50 plus 2, that is 52. So, that's how you can easily subtract numbers using mental math or using this method. So, that means 97 minus 45, that is 52. I hope that's clear. Next example, what is the difference of 979 and 326? Just like what we did earlier, you need to separate each numbers to its digit value. In number 979, the value of 9 is 900, the value of 7 is 70, and the value of 9 is 9. Minus, in number 326, the value of 3 is 300, and the value of 2 is 20, and the value of 6 is 6. Next, you need to subtract the numbers with the same number of digits again. 900 minus 300, that is 600, and 70 minus 20, that is 50, and 9 minus 6, that is 3. So, 600 plus 50 plus 3, we know that is 653. That means 979 minus 326 is equal to 653. You can check that with your calculator if that is correct. Next example, what is 835 minus 374? We just need to follow the steps. We need to separate each number to its digit value. In 835, the value of 8 is 800, and the value of 3 is 30, and the value of 5 is 5. Minus, in number 374, the value of 3 is 300, the value of 7 is 70, and the value of 4 is 4. Next step, you need to subtract the numbers with the same number of digits. So, 800 minus 300, that is 500, and 30 minus 70, that is negative 40. And 5 minus 4, that is positive 1. So, 500 minus 40, that is 460, plus 1, that is 461. So, that means 835 minus 374 is equal to 461. I hope that's clear. Next example, what is 463 minus 78? So we have 3-digit number minus 2-digit number. So you just need to follow the steps. So you need to break each number to its digit value. In 463, the value of 4 is 400 and the value of 6 is 60. The value of 3 is 3 minus, in number 78, the value of 7 is 70. The value of 8 is 8. Next, we need to subtract the numbers with the same number of digits. You just need to rewrite 400 since it's the only number having 3 digits. And then 60 minus 70, that is negative 10. And 3 minus 8, that is negative 5. So you can subtract it easily. So 400 minus 10, that is 390. And 390 minus 5, that is 385. So that means 463 minus 78, that is 385. I hope that's clear. Anyway, please support me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube so that you are always updated with my new videos. Also, please like, comment, and share this video. If you truly understand this lesson, you can try to answer this one. So using mental math, answer this. What is 638 minus 792? You can type your answer on the comment section. Thank you for watching.